So Sarah, what are we making right now?
So we're gonna make a little blue cheese bacon coleslaw to put on top of this brisket.
And how do you want this cabbage cut?
So if you could julienne that, just like thin to win for me, that'd be perfect.
All right, let's see what we can do here.
Nice knife work, chef.
Thank you. So we got some nice thin cabbage.
One thing I always do is I always season the salt and sugar before I mix everything else in. That salt is gonna pull some of the moisture out of the cabbage so you don't have that like ring of watery sitting around it. You let this sit for a few minutes, most of that moisture will come off, and then you kind of just dump it out. So I like to do the carrots next, just a little color and nice flavor. Then we wanna leave the bacon and the blue cheese into large chunks. Start with a little bit of fennel aioli. We'll add that bacon in. You just put as much in as you want.
Well, I'm a big bacon fan, we all know that.
And then we'll add some of the blue cheese.
I also see some, what is this, vinegar here?
Oh yeah, let's throw a little apple cider vinegar in there. I don't feel like I can complete any dish unless it has fresh herbs.
Those are those moments when people roll their eyes in the back of their head and they go, oh my God, that was the best I've ever had.